Hello guys, welcome back again to yet another quick tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how you can make a mock-up for a cup. Alright, so in this tutorial we will go from a normal cup image and turn it into a usable mock-up that you can use. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Okay, so we are back inside Photoshop. Now let's create a new file by clicking this new file right here and make it into 3000 by 3000 with 300 resolutions. Make sure you select pixel, okay? And create. Now, once we are inside Photoshop, let us insert our base image just like this. This image right here I made using ChatGPT with this prompt. You can go ahead and try it yourself. Okay, so first we will make a square for our design. Okay, for this particular mockup we will use a square design 1 by 1. So we will make our square like this and make it into 2000 by 2000. Hit enter and now we have a square. Okay, now we will turn this square into a smart object. To do that, we can go to this layer, right click and convert to smart object, just like that. And now we will adjust the size and place for this square to match the cup. To do that, let's reduce the opacity right here and choose 50. That's enough. And now we can press Command T or Control T and resize the square. Okay, remember this square will be used to place our design, right? So size it accordingly, just like this. Now we will match the perspective of the square with the cup. To do that, first we will hit Command T or Control T, right click on the square and choose distort. First we will adjust this like this. Not too much. And now we will use warp, right click and warp to give it a little bit of a curve. See how this cup right here is oval and it have curves. Also at the bottom it have curves. Now we will give it to this square so it will look more realistic. Okay, to do that we can go to warp and drag the middle part down. Also drag this bottom part down again. So, and adjust accordingly. Hit enter and let's double check. Okay, I think it's a little bit too much, so we can go to warp again and we can adjust the square just like that. Okay, great. Now as you can see, the cup have a lighter side and a darker side, right? So we will create that same effect on our design. To do that, let's first create new layer by clicking on the plus icon right here, or by pressing Command Shift N or Control Shift N if you're in Windows, and hit OK. Now we will change the name to shadows. Next we will clip the shadow layer into the rectangle. To do that, hold Option or Alt and hover between the layer. The icon of the cursor will change and that's when you click your mouse, just like that. Now your shadow layer is clipped into the rectangle. Now we will change it into a multiply. Choose a gray color, choose your brush tool right here, brush tool, and choose soft round brush. This is the brush that you get when you download Photoshop, so everyone should have this. Okay, make the opacity 50%, and now we will brush our shadows into the square just like that, just like that. Good. Now we will insert our design into the rectangle. To do that, let's double click on the smart object and we will go to this new windows. This is the smart object file. And now we can just drag and drop our design. Here I have a couple of design. Let's drop it right here. And hit Command S or Control S to save and close the image. And now you have the mockup ready. And that's all. Now let's change this layer to design so you can easily locate it between our layers. And if you want to change the design, you just come back to the design layer and change it. Hit Command S or save, close, and your design is changed just like that. Okay, let's first save our mockup. Let's go to Cup Mockup, Mockup, and save it. Okay, now this is where it gets really powerful. We can combine this with Bulk Mockup plugin so we can create hundreds of designs within minutes.
Now that you've built this smart object template, here's where it gets crazy powerful. Pair it with Bulk Mockup plugin, and you can generate hundreds of mockups in minutes. No more dragging files one by one. Just set it up, hit go, and boom! Your entire product line is ready to upload. Check bulkmockup.com.
I guess that's all for today's tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope this helped you, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.